So welcome to this how-to blog to make fabric buttons. You find a lot of people selling these buttons in craft markets, and they're actually really easy to make, and hopefully this blog will show you how. So firstly, we're going to look at the materials that we need. We'll firstly need some fabric, a template, some button casings, and a button mold. So what the button mold does is to put all the components together to make the actual fabric button. There are plastic versions of these which you can buy instead of the steel ones, and they're a lot more inexpensive, and I'll show you where to get them in my blog. So putting it all together. Firstly, you line your template to the fabric that you want to show exactly what you want to make. Then you cut it all out. Next step, you're going to get the back of the button mold and the back of the actual button, and you put the button backing into the bottom of the mold, and this forms the bottom bit of the fabric button. So next step, you're going to use the top part of the button mold, and that gets assembled together and squishes everything together. So you're going to put the top part of the mold together with the fabric which you cut out previously, and also with the top part of the button casing. This is then squished down to make the actual top of the button, and then you put the top of the mold and the bottom of the mold together to be squashed. So this is my button machine. It actually just squishes everything together as you pull the lever. You don't need it, and especially if you buy the plastic button mold, you actually use your fingers instead. So what that does is it squishes all the components together, and then you pop it back out, and as you open the molding again, the fabric button is done. So there's my button, and then you can actually put magnets at the back of these buttons to make into fridge magnets, or you can buy hair clips which you can stick to the back to make bobby pins, or even earrings which actually work really well as gifts. So that's it. Go to the homepage at homemadehomebake.com to get all the supply links so you can get the supplies and start making these awesome buttons. And I'll see you next time. Bye!